Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make bubble text in Premiere Pro. First, open Premiere Pro and create a new sequence. Select the Type tool and click on your program monitor to add a text layer. Type your desired text. Next, go to the Essential Graphics panel. Choose a thick, rounded font for the best bubble effect. Adjust the font size and position your text on the screen for optimal visibility. Now, let's create the bubble shape. In the Essential Graphics panel, click the New Layer icon and select Rectangle. Drag to create a rectangle that encompasses your text. Under the Shape properties, increase the roundness value significantly, perhaps to 100%, to get a soft, rounded edge. Make sure this shape layer is below your text layer in the panel for proper layering. To give your bubble some style, select the Shape layer. In the Essential Graphics panel, choose a fill color that complements your text. Then, enable the stroke option. Pick a contrasting color for the stroke, perhaps a darker shade of your fill color or white. Experiment with the stroke width, maybe 5 to 10 pixels, to define the bubble's outline clearly. Finally, let's refine the look. You can adjust the text color to stand out against your bubble. For added depth, select your shape layer and enable shadow in the Essential Graphics panel. Play with the distance, size, and opacity of the shadow. For a dynamic effect, consider adding a simple scale or position animation to your text and bubble layers using keyframes for a professional touch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.